How to fix Zenless Zone 0 graphic error. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna teach you three different methods with the help of which you would be able to resolve the black screen graphic error in Zenless Zone 0. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply update the graphics driver. So if you are an Nvidia user, then you just have to go to their official website, or you can even download their application. This will look something like this. So over here you just have to click on drivers in the top, and then you just have to click on check for updates. If there is any update available, you will be able to see the download option. So you just have to click on download, and the graphic card will start downloading in your device. Similarly, if you are an AMD user, then you just have to update the driver on this website, and similar is the case with the Intel user. If this method doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can simply verify the game files. So sometimes corrupted or missing game files can cause graphic errors. So verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher would be the best option for you. In order to do it, you first need to open the game launcher and then find the Zenless Zone 0 in your library. Then you need to select the option to verify or repair game files. Then in the third method, what you can do is you can simply adjust the in-game graphics settings. For that, you just have to launch your Zenless Zone 0 game, and then you need to go to the settings menu. Afterwards, you just have to reduce the graphics setting. Then you just have to disable the full screen mode. So you just have to try running the game in windowed mode to see if it resolves the issues. So with the help of these three methods, you are definitely going to fix the issue that you are facing in the Zenless Zone 0 game. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.